Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your science teacher. Today we will read the topic matter, which is unit 4. Students, what do you know about matter? We will define the matter that anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now we will discuss the characteristics of matter. There are many characteristics. Number 1, matter has weight. Matter has particular order, smell. Matter has shape and volume. Matter has density. So this was all about the characteristics of the matter. What is matter made up of? All things around us are made up of very tiny particles. These tiny particles are called atom. So atom is the smallest particle of matters and it cannot exist its own. So when two or more atoms join up with each other, they form a bigger particle called a molecule. Now there are 3 states of matter. Matter can be solid, matter can be liquid, matter can be gas. You can see in the picture there are several examples lying on the table. We will discuss the characteristics of solid, liquid and gas one by one. So number 1, solid. Matter can be solid, but it cannot change its shape or size by itself. You can see the duster. It is the solid because the molecules are very close to each other and they cannot move easily. Examples are the duster, books and wood, stones. This all about are the solid. Now liquid. Matter can be liquid, but liquid has no fixed shape. It has a fixed volume. You can see this glass of water. This has no proper this has no proper order, but it has a fixed volume and it assumes the shape of the container as it is poured in it. If we pour this water into a tray, so it will assume the shape of that tray. So we can easily say that it has a no fixed shape but a fixed volume. Example are water, milk and oil. Example gas number 3. Matter can be gas. So gas has no fixed shape and the molecule of a gas can move from one place to another because these molecules are very far away from each other. Example, you can see the balloon that gas is filled in it, but these molecules can move from one place to another. Another example is wind blowing. So this was all about the states of matter. Hope you will understand that this topic. Reading of Unit 4 Matter, Grade 3. What is matter? Everything on earth is matter. Matter takes up space. It has also weight. Books, balloons, rocks, snowflake, air, smoke and water are some examples of matter. We learn about matter with our senses. When we drink juice, we know whether it is orange juice or water. The color, taste and smell of juice help us to know the difference. You can see different examples like stone, apple, book, jelly, balloon and juice. We cannot see or taste air, but we can feel it. The wind is moving air. We can feel the wind blowing. We can see how the wind moves other things. We can also hear leaves rustling when the wind blows through them. What is matter made up of? All things around us are made up of very tiny particles. These tiny particles are called atoms. An atom is the smallest particle of matter. An atom cannot exist on its own. It usually joins up with other atoms. When two or more atoms join up with each other, they form a bigger particle called a molecule. Turn out page number 26. A molecule is also very tiny. It is much smaller than a grain of sand. Different things are made up of different kinds of molecule. Water is made up of water molecule. Sugar is made up of sugar molecules. Sugar and water molecule are not the same. They are different. Experiment mixing sugar and water molecule. Put a teaspoon of sugar in a beaker, as you can see in the picture, and stir it. We can taste the sugar in the water. Similarly, we can also taste salt in our food. If you open a bottle of perfume, you can smell the perfume in the room. Can you guess why? The molecule of a perfume spread out in the room by mixing with the molecule of air. You can also smell smoke when something is burning. Now, states of matter. Matter can be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. We call these the states of matter. Number 1, solid. Matter can be solid, it can be liquid, it can be light or heavy, soft or hard, but a solid cannot change its shape or size by itself. So, we can say that a solid has a fixed shape and a fixed size of volume. Wood, stone, glass, rubber, etc. are some examples of solid. Page number 27. Liquid. Matter can be a liquid. It may or may not have colors. A liquid has no fixed shape, but it has a fixed volume. A liquid takes up the shape of the container it is poured into. Examples: water, milk, oil, petrol, cola, etc. are the example of liquids. You can see these pictures. Number 3, gas. Matter can be a gas. A gas has no shape. A gas can move from one place to another. Air is a mixture of gases. We cannot see air, but we can feel the wind blowing. You can see in this picture wind blowing through leaves. Turn out page number 28. Change of state. Matter can change its states. Put a glass full of ice cubes near a sunny window. After some time, you will see water in the glass. What has happened? The ice has melted. Ice is a solid. In a warm place, it becomes water. You can see in this picture change of states. So ice cubes, and after some time it changed into the water. We can see the water has changed its state from a solid to a liquid. Heat can change a solid into a liquid. When we light a candle, the wax begins to melt. A liquid can change into a solid by cooling. If we put water into an ice tray and put it into the freezer, the water becomes solid ice. Heat can change a liquid into a gas. Heat some water in a pan. Look at the picture. As it gets hot, you will see steam. The water is changing into steam. Water is changing from a liquid into a gas. This gas is called water vapor. The water vapor goes into the air. We cannot see it. It has no colors. Page 29. Hold a cold plate above the steam. You will see tiny drops of water on it. The water vapor has cooled and changed back from a gas into a tiny drops of liquid water. Molecules and movement. Molecules are always moving. They bump into each other. They also slide over each other. Are there any spaces between the molecules? So we will discuss each one. Molecule in a solid. Molecules in a solid are packed very close to each other. They are arranged in a regular pattern. They can vibrate backwards and forward, but they stay in the same place. That's why a solid cannot change its shape easily. As you can see in the picture, these molecules are closely packed and they are arranged in a regular pattern, so they cannot move. These are the molecules of a solid. Molecules in a liquid. Molecules in a liquid are not very close to each other. They can move. They can also slide over each other. They can move more than the molecule of a solid. That's why a liquid can change its shape. As in the picture, you can see the molecules are somehow far away from each other, so they can move easily. Molecule in a gas. Molecules in a gas are very far away from each other. They can move about freely in any direction. They bump into each other. They also push each other away. That is why gas has no fixed shape. You can see in this that molecules are very far away from each other and they can move freely in any direction. So the gas, they are the molecule of a gas. Amazing facts. The word atoms come from the Greek word atomos, which means not divisible. The ancient Greek thought an atom to be the smallest possible particle of any substance. Dear students, turn out page number 30, question number 2 and question number 3. This is your homework. Hope you have understand the topic. After reading, we will do question answers of unit 4 matter. So answers the following question. Question number 1. What is matter? Answer. Matter takes up space and has weight. Question number 2. How many states of matter are there? Answer. There are 3 states of matter. Number 1, solid. Number 2, liquid. Number 3, gas. Question number 3. How can a solid change into a liquid? Answer. Solid changes into a liquid by heating. Question number 4. Why is a solid hard? Answer. Solid is hard because the molecules are close to each other. Question number 5. Why does a gas have no fixed shape? Answer. Gas has no fixed shape because the molecules are far away from each other. This was all about the living things. Students, you will do your homework, so learn question answers number 1, 2 and 3. Hope you will understand. Thank you.